Today we are going to do a fog light cleaning. We are working on a 2012 Toyota Sienna, but this is applicable to any kind of headlight. What we are going to do, we are going to use 3 sandpaper, 800, 2000, and 3000. And then on top of that, we are going to use just soap water, and that's what we are going to do. If you want your result to be much better, you can use what we call it, a clear coat. After you do all the cleaning, you let the headlight dry up, and put 2 coats of clear coat, and then buff it off. That's gonna make your work look more professional. But for temporary way, you can just do the cleaning using sandpaper and clean it up with water, and you're gonna remove most of the foil. Professionally, you're gonna put some clear coat, spray it on, and buff it off, and you get some better results.
Thank you.